Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Grab your paired iPhone and open Find My. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on so the phone can show the watch's last location. Tap Devices, select your Apple Watch, and note the last seen time and place. Once done, use the map to head to that area immediately. The last location narrows search range. Make sure to keep the iPhone nearby to receive live updates if the watch briefly powers on or connects. Once you arrive at the last known spot, search methodically. Sweep shelves, pockets, couch gaps, and under furniture while listening for subtle sounds. Make sure to check chargers and drawers where a dead watch might have been placed. On the iPhone, enable Notify when found so you get an alert if the watch briefly powers or connects. Also set a visible note or call nearby people. Someone might have moved it to safety without telling you. If you still haven't found it, revisit the last seen address and politely ask anyone there. Sometimes it's left at a workplace or public spot. Make sure to try any chargers where it might power on briefly, because a quick charge can restore pinging. If recovery fails, mark the watch lost in Find My to lock it and show a contact message. Troubleshoot by checking nearby security camera clips or receipts that indicate a recent stop. That often reveals where it went.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.